Hello everyone, today we will learn how you can insert checkbox. So for that, you just need how over this menu bar there you can see the developer tab. Let's say if your worksheet cannot display this developer tab, you only need to right mouse click on this bar and select customize this ribbon, or else you can select file and under the options you can get this customized ribbon. Under this customized ribbon you can easily find this developer tab. If you move this bar down, you can see the developer tab unticked here. If you need to get it back, just select this developer and select okay. You can get that developer tab here. Alright, now let's see how you can insert the checkbox into this cell, because you have in this worksheet the item list. So let's see how you can tick those items. Under the developer tab, select insert. Under the insert you can see a lot of commands, form controls. So I only need to select this checkbox, tick and just draw it here. Right, now you can just remove this check button, or else you can type whatever anything there. So now you have already draw this checkbox. So only need is you just need to copy those checkbox down. So for that, move the cursor up and you can right mouse click and select copy. Just copy it down. Right, now you have already draw your checkbox on these items. Let's see how we can give your markings on your right side, whether let's say true or false or yes or no. So for that, first step is just right mouse click and on your formula bar you can press equal and you can mark the cell here. It's D4. So if you press enter, it will automatically say true or false. When you untick, it will say false. If you mark it, it will make it true. So the same way you can give the cell address here equal and mark the cell, or else the next step is go to your cell, right mouse click, under the format control you can mark the cell pink like this, right? Then it will mark true. So the same way you can click the markings here equal and click equal and click here, right? So this is how you can give the cell addresses by giving the markings true or false. Right, now I have already marked these three items. So if you have a bunch of list, let's see how you can get those total sales. Complete. So for that you need to get the countif function. First way is using this equal and countif, and you can mark the range, right? So your criteria is true, so within the inverted you can mark true. This is one way, or else you can under the formulas select insert function. So here just type countif and select co, right? So there you just need to select the range and give the criteria here the same way. It will give you the condition like 3 because you have altogether marked 3. Likewise, it will automatically get the markings, right? So if you just need to give the percentage out of this entire item list, so just the same formula bar, give the division sign, and I just need to count all. So select count A and open bracket and highlight the entire list and close bracket. Small error here, count A, not S. Right, so you just need to give the percentage. So under the home, select percentage, 60% out of entire sale. So if we change this, it will give you the entire 100%. Right, this is how you can give the entire marking scheme. Right, next we will learn how you can use the filter command. Using the filter commands, you need to display here the balance items that you didn't solve within the week or the month. So I'm just giving my heading here, items remaining. Right, so for that you need to give the formulas using the insert function here, type filter. So using this upper arrow, highlight the entire item is here. Right, include what you are going to include here, include the balance part. So I didn't pick tea leaves and rice, so you need to display here the false part. So for that, just click here. These are the conditions that you need to display, what remaining with false. Right, if empty, what you need to give if empty, you need to display the empty cells here. Right, now let's see how the output is. Right, now items remaining, tea leaves and rice. So if you tick here, it will remain only the rice. So this is how you can give the remaining items using the filter command. Right, so next you need to give you the color code using the conditional formatting. Let's see how you can give the color code here. So for that, under the home, you can see the conditional formatting here. Click here. So the data bars, I just need to select these solid bars here. Right, so using the manage rules, just select edit rule. So under the type, you just need to give the number here because you have given 0 to 100%. So the number with 100%. So select OK. Right, now you have complete the bar 40%. If you click here, it will give you the markings like 100%. Right, this is how you can give the data bars using the conditional formatting. So if you need to hide this true false button, what you need to give, highlight the entire list, then right mouse click and get your format cells. So under the custom general tab, let's say 0 or the general whatever, make it blank, give the semicolon button 3 times, select OK. You can remove these true or false buttons. Right, there you can see the nice format with using this bar. You can automatically give you the conditions. So you have already removed the true or false conditions, so you can see it when you move the cursor here. Right, this is how you can present your worksheet, and there you can use the filter command using this using the insert function under the formulas, and this is how you can use your the checkbox function using the developer tab. Okay, hope you will enjoy and use these functions in your day-to-day operations. Thank you very much. We will meet you soon.